Okay, so unfortunately last week almost no videos, mainly because two reasons. One, the videos were just too long to record to edit. Two was like yeah, I just didn't feel great. I gained a lot, um, lost a lot, and actually had some uh, other outside issues that I had to deal with. So didn't really have a whole lot of time to do recordings. So this week should be shorter. I'm just gonna try and record only the partials of the trades and have that up. So we'll see what happens later. All right. So saw some strength in Nvda. Took in around 213s. Nice. So I'm detecting a possible bull trap. So I gotta be really careful on this. All right. Watching on the sides. Let's see if futures is gonna break resistance. I mean, they kind of did, but there's a new resistance level right there. Pulling back a little bit. I don't like this wick, but it's been above 213, so that's good. Watching L2, looks like it's gonna run up further. 25, I'll probably get out. Let's see, QQQs is starting to try and test a high of day. So if futures and indices is really trying to break out. If they even break this, Nvidia should follow breakthrough 214s. Yep, so looking at L2, it broke through, but it's being defended. Still strong. RSIs are going crazy. Stochastics are going bullish. There we go. Yeah, so unfortunately earlier there was also a small delay, so I didn't really catch that, and I did forget to press record while I was taking the trade. Struggling. Let's see if we can break 215s. Yep. Okay. Watching for 216s now. Let's see, it was a gap down earlier, so... Oh, no, sorry, not a gap down earlier. So... There it is. It sank to 210s lows and then pop up. Alright, still watching. See if any changes. They're just holding this level right here. So zero point 0.5, I'm probably going to exit. Alright, shot up and then it came right back down. Small pullback. Let's see. Oh, futures and indices just broke out again, so Nvda should follow pretty soon. Okay, it held. Okay, let's get out. I don't like this delay. Um, let's get out of this. Okay, that took. I did not like that delay though. I'm gonna take another risk when it comes back down to 214. Okay, I think let's take this. If it comes up to VWAP, I'll take that too. Actually, no. Downside. This could be a pullback. Yeah, it's a pullback. I'm watching futures and they're starting to run. I'm gonna wait. Gave some back. Okay, futures running. Gonna take this risk. Alright, less delays. Go up to 100. Let's see if we'll break 215 again. Alright, let's see. Volume is kind of slowing down. Okay, futures are running, indices are running. Nvda just needs to break 215s and it can probably test this level right here. So this is a support level, could be turning into um, resistance. Yep, there we go. Struggling. Gonna get out. Okay, so Roblox just tanked. Futures struggling. Looking for that short right there. That's what I was looking for. Reload at 214s. I'll take extra shorts because looks like everything's gonna come down now. QQ is testing VWAP, so a little wary right there. Nvidia is starting to test a support level. Okay, QQQ just cracked VWAP, so it's going down. Nvidia is trying to hold 213s. Not sure where that's coming from. Okay, probably gonna fail VWAP. Let's see, we'll crack 13. 213, yep, coming down. This is so weak right now. So it broke through this support level, so it should test down support. Oh, well, maybe 2.5s because of right here. But let's see, QQ just broke support level. Well, first support level, but it's bouncing. Let's see if above VWAP I'll exit for a loss. Alright, that was unexpected. Alright, can't tell if it's like long or short right now, so I'm gonna watch. Volume just went splat. Okay. Let's take a scalp. Same bullish. Let's see if break 215s again. Or 2.5s. Gonna take 25 off. Okay, right now futures are just did a huge bounce. I'll average up. Yeah, so you can see I was trying to average right here, but it pushed me up. So 34s. Let's even go higher. If it breaks this down here again, it can probably go higher. Alright, I don't like this week. Let's go for a short. Alright, let's see if it breaks down further. Gonna keep the sizes small today. It's just really crap. Alright, Get out probably around VWAP. Let's see if we go under first though. Okay, awesome. Alright, lots of weakness coming in. So I want to add into it. So 50 to 1350s. This is where I got in on the last two. So a lot more weakness coming in. Let's see if we'll break 213. Yep. Next one, it's probably gonna test 212.15s. All right. I was getting ready to de-risk, but might see some weakness. I'm gonna de-risk one. Okay, watching. Let's see. It will come down further. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Could go and pass VWAP again, just like before. Alright, it's very, very choppy. Give it time, see what happens here. Okay, I see more downside. Thirteen, 18. Average up. Let's see actually. Mark. Alright, let's see. Let's see what crack. It's very, very weak. So looking for under 70s. Actually, yeah, 80. So should break if it breaks 80, 70s and 80s, it should come down. I think this is a weak pop. Yep. So watching here, it's trying to come down. It's holding though, but let's see what happens. Thinking de-risk around 0.5. Let's see if we'll go down further. AMD just went down on the downside. QQQ coming down. Alright, nice. It came down further than I thought. Let's see, we'll hold. We'll de-risk. Or, let's see what's going. What's this doing? Might be coming down. Nope, came down. I'll take some off. Let's see if we'll go lower. Nice. It's holding and trying to bounce. If it goes below 212, I will try and exit some. Let's see, nice, okay. But it's bouncing. Let's see if we'll go further down. Let's see. It seems very weak. Trying to hold this support level right here. Yep, there you go. 211.5 is a stronger support level because it's from pre-market average. There we go, nice. Coming down further. No, oh, nice. I did not expect that. I need to find a new support level. 15 minutes doesn't. No. $209s. Interesting. Let's see. 210 is the next support level from here. But if it fails that, 209 is the next one. $210 low of day. It's trying to hold 211. 0.5, I'll start exiting. Let's see if we'll break 211s. It's trying to hold. Nice. Alright, now it just needs to keep going down. Looks like it's trying to hold support there. I'm gonna take some off. At point 0.5, I will do a full exit. Hold some from here. Watching L2. It went up to 40s and then came back down to 30s, and it's just like bouncing back and forth. Okay. Came right back down. So there's defenders somewhere right here. And there's defenders in 211s, and they're trying to push. Okay, let's get up. Nasdaq is trying to hold as well, but it's like teeter-tottering. Alright, I'm gonna get squeezed from here. I hate that delay. Yep, so I re-entered for a scalp. Might break out because now futures and QQs just did a totally reverse bounce, big bounce, unexpected bounce. Look, so short was not a follow through on that one. Let's see. Right now it's testing 216s. Yep, there we go. Gonna take possibly gonna take some off. Let's see, resistance I can see 218s. But let's de-risk. Just in case. So 0.25 I'm thinking will be the exit for me. Reason for that is just like it was doing the 50 cents move from here to only 216 and 2.6. Okay, now it's going higher. So I will do probably 0.4. So what I'm doing is like taking half of that spread as my exit. Alright, let's see if it's still going. 217. Let's see, it's trying to stay above 217s, or sorry, under 217, above 2.5. So, alright, I'll get some out. Let's be on the safe side. 2.6. I think it held 2.6. Or sorry, 0.6. Let's see if we'll go higher. Watching L2, okay. 90. So it's defending 0.9s. Okay. Let's see. 217.10s is where it's trying to reject, but don't want to get in front. Don't get out from there. Shorts probably will be. We're trying to get in front of a train, and they got squeezed a bit. Looks like there's some stronger defenders somewhere hiding. Okay, let's see. Part of me wants to de-risk right now. Let's see how it moves. Could be a pullback. I'm gonna go off. Let's see, 0.6. So, okay, yeah, let's get out. All right, not risking. Let's see what it's trying to do. Could be just pullback, like I mentioned, but this is like kind of overextended, my opinion. Because look how far move from 210 to 216. That's $6 move. It can still go, but I'm not sure. Not seeing a whole lot of strength, a lot of volume right now, so that's why. Okay, it did break. I want to take it. Take this chase. All right, starting getting nervous. This one, and I'm done. I don't care if it runs. This is it. Well, after I exit. Okay, Q's at a resistance level. It just popped through. This should follow. Okay, no. Q just rejected. That means I just made a big mistake. Point 0.75. Okay, if it comes down below 7.5, I might actually even short it. All right, QQ is running, or at least trying to. I might exit because I don't like this pattern. See, this is a big wick. Get out. It's coming down. Yeah, so this looks like it's gonna come down. Might bounce a little too early for me to have entered. Should have waited a little bit. I try to wait to near the end of the 5-minute candle before I make a real decision. Looking for weakness all the way down to possibly 215.7s. So that'll be a dollar move on the downside if it can go down. Futures trying to hold. Nvda is trying to hold this too. Above 217, now you gotta get out. Okay, it's going above 17. Let's see what happens. It might be a fake one. I do need to get out. 15. Okay. Might be a fake. Oh, shoot. Uh, Shoot. That was accidental click. Let's see what happens though. Might be. Nope. Okay, now let's see if it'll come down. So unfortunately, this setup didn't work. Maybe it will up here. This is a double top. I'm gonna take small amounts. Okay, Qs and Nasdaq are very weak right now. If they break this support level, I will aggressively add on. Otherwise, I might get stopped out again. Oh, faked. Faked that. Possibly getting squeezed again. Alright, I don't see a whole lot of confirmation. So I'm gonna wait for a bit and see what happens from there. See if I can recoup a bit. Fortunately, it went from like 200 to now 300, or sorry, 30. So it gave back way more than 2/3 or 3/4. Yep, there it goes. That was the testing of 218. So it might break. I'm gonna take a bigger risk because futures are running pretty strong now. So 217.8. Looks like my average was too low. Curious what it looks like on 15-minute chart. Yeah, this is bullish. Um, Possibly might break 218s. If it does, the next ones will be in the 220s. So let's wait and see what happens from here. Because futures and indices are really trying to break this resistance level. Yep, futures just ran. QQQ just ran, so Nvda should, yep, it got rejected real quick. 218s. See, testing 219s. Might be a small pullback, but I'll exit at point 1 to be safe. Okay, it's coming down a bit. I'm watching it here. It just okay. Very whippy. Futures and indices are really testing another resistance level. So it's keep on bouncing above, like went down real quick and then came right back up. They're struggling at this resistance level. 0.5s, 40s. Stuck at 0.5s. Okay, quick pop to 60s. Alright, looks like it's gonna run a bit more. '66, 70s, 70, 60s. So it's being rejected around the 75s. And then 0.5s, I would say, are defending. I'm gonna de-risk 50. Alright, let's see. Under point 0.1, I will get out. I think unfortunately my averages are all under 217.8s. Yep, I'm out. I'm not risking that. Could be coming down now. Finally get my shorts. Let's see. I need confirmation. Alright, I am seeing downside. Hopefully no bounces. Yeah, that was supposed to be short at the pop. Let's see. See will come down. Might be a trap. Sony 0.9's pretty well. Gonna aim for 0.6. Slowly coming down. Alright. Futures on the side. Just try to bounce. But it just got rejected. Waiting for some confirmation. Let's say 218.10. It can do a squeeze if it gets there. So it's back to 0.85s, 0.9s. So, alright, 7s, that's good. So I'm watching the bids on the L2 right now. 0.7, watching QQ on the side and NASDAQ futures on the side. They are coming down. Let's see how far they can go. They're slow on coming down though. Alright, so 0.6 broke, or well, 0.7's broke. Let's see if we can go down further. Alright, came back 0.7. Trying to hold. AMD running. I don't like that. Okay, that rejected it. I'm just hate that thing. Okay, going to wait. I might have overstayed a bit. On the side, Nvda is bouncing the 50 SMA. Watching it for to reject again. 218. See, it looks like 0.2 is actually more safer exit, but okay, just reject it. I don't know you saw, but it rejected a bit. Okay, now it came back up. Um, let's see. Came back down. Okay, that's good. Let's see if it will come down even further at weakness. Watching the sides. Stochastics starting to show across to the downside. And if we were talking about Bollinger Bands, it kind of did rejected the top right here. I don't really use it too extensively because I know it can still keep on running and then break through. Okay, whoa, nice. Let's see how far it can go. So 217.9, 27.8. Okay. All right. 45s, 60, 50. 46. Slow. Very, very slow. Alright. Seeing more weakness. It's trying to hold this level right here though. It's the 0.5s. I want to get ready to cover in case start running. Alright. I'm gonna just get out. Because I don't know if it's gonna run or tank. Futures want to come down, but Nvda wants to stay up. Might be a double top right here if it tries to form it. If it breaks. rejects, comes down. That's a double top. But it's rejecting right here. Don't want to take it just yet. Okay. Seeing more harsh downside. Alright, just need to break this right here. Point 0.3. Let's see. Point 0.2s. Okay, whoa. Nice. Let's see if it'll break point 0.7 or sorry, 17. It did. Okay, now it just bounced back up from point 0.9s to 16.9s that are being defended. Alright, so 216.9s are being defended and 217.1s are trying to reject. Seeing QQQs coming down. Nvda starting to come down. They're both very close to bounce levels though. Yeah, they just bounced, or at least the candle just bounced. Let's see if there's more downside to it though. Yep, so it came back down. Quick pop to 2.3s and it came back down. Trying to hold. Might be a quick pop. These features are coming downwards. Or sorry, QQQ was coming downwards. Alright, I wasn't looking and then got squeezed on that one. I think some. Well, get out just in case. See, let's stay above two. Okay, yes, I was gonna say 7.5 or 0.75s. Watching what it does. Definitely overtraded today. Alright. Alright, looks like there's buying pressure. I'm gonna wait. I want to see if it forms a double top. So looking at 5 minutes, double top would be closer to 219s. So if it reject around up here, like how it just did right now, it might come down. I want to take this risk for each pop. If I give back, I'll give back. I mean, if I break even through the day, I don't care. Let's try. Let's try and to see if it'll come down on a short. Yeah, I entered too much down here. It's trying to reject this, but I don't like how it's like. Well, actually, I kind of do. It's constantly retesting, but then it's keep on rejecting down to the side, and I missed that entrance. Okay, it's showing very weak. It's heavy. Yep. So that it just needs to break 217, and it could free fall a little bit. 217 psychological, 218 psychological. That's why it's like jumping back and forth here. I'm not gonna add. Gonna see what it does. Alright, so we'll do another quick pop and then come back down. Because technically the double bottom should, or double top should have been higher. Nope, it's coming down. Well, it's not strong enough. There's no momentum on that one. If there's momentum on that candle coming down, it will break 217 easily. Future's trying to hold on. Q is doing the same. Watching L2 now. It's trying to go back to point 0.4s, point 0.5s probably, and let's see if we reject it. Looks like a bunch of algorithmic trading right now. Let's see, it's trying to bounce, trying to break through that. 75, 79, came back down. It's just bouncing, teeter. It's just like sideways. Okay, it just rejected that up there, so that's a good sign. But it's just teeter-tottering. And yeah, I can't make a good decision on this. I'm gonna try to find my exit. Hopefully I didn't overstay. Oh, let's see, Q just made a big red. Futures, trying to test support level now. Let's see. AMD is like teeter-tottering as well. Everything's teeter-tottering. Futures and Qs are just like trying to hold the support level. Nvidia is just like up and down, up and down. Constant rejection at 218, so that's something I like, but there's no momentum to come down. Get an hour before a meeting. Let's see if it rejects again. 218s. If it rejects 218s, I'm staying. Yeah, they reject, but it's trying to trying to go back up now. I'm watching L2. So 70s, 74 is trying to gain momentum, but it looks like it's just might get stopped out. The momentum might get stopped. Yep. Okay. Confirmation on staying for a little bit. Let's see, futures and Qs. I mean, they're just teeter-tottering as well. All right, now it's trying to come back up, but zero point 0.7, I would say 7.5s are trying to. All right, zero point 0.8 now. Get ready to cover in case I get squeezed again. Futures wants to try to break this support level, but it's holding pretty well. Whereas Nvidia is holding this resistance and it's staying. Okay, rejected it again. 0.5s. Okay. Kind of hard to tell. 0.5s. There's nothing that's trying to stack it either. So 0.4s. Yeah, so since nothing's stacking on these, by theory, should come down. So and one of my theories, because like it keeps on rejecting 218s, so there's a wall right here, and sellers are starting to sell. Okay, seeing more momentum coming in. QQs and Nasdaq futures came down a little bit, testing the lower support on the side. Nvidia, however, is still struggling above 2.7 or sorry 217s. QQ just broke support level, and Nasdaq futures just did it now. So this should come down to bring it down possibly 217 below. Let's see. I want to start de-risking pretty soon. Let's see if I can de-risk around 6. Oh, is it coming down more? Because zero point 0.5 is where there's a support level. QQ just went down. Okay, 217s. I'll set a limit order. I don't know why I did that. I don't, I do not know why I did that. Alright, so 17 to 17, probably 2.5s. I'll get out. It's starting to bounce right here. Alright, 8, came back down to 8s. 9s, okay. Went a little bit longer. See if it will come down. It's heavy, just not coming down. Oh, I accidentally bought more. Whoops. That's not good. So that was 217.03. Yeah, so I misclicked and bought, or sorry, added to my short. Okay. I will move my stop to 275s. I'm gonna do a full stop. It's full stop out because I accidentally added instead of covered. So watching 60s, 70. Okay, I need to get out. Oh, did it just reject? Okay, rejected. Watching this right here, on the bid side. Should watch it on the ask side actually. Okay, so 50s. That's good. That's a good sign. 75. I'm out. 60s. Okay. 63. 63s are stacking. 70s are stacking. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, I need to get out. Okay, I'm done. Gotta call it a day. Okay, so I jumped back on to grab some data because I just forgot to enter some information, and I'm seeing weakness again. A little bit more clear because you can see it's on the downside. It's gonna probably bounce VWAP, so that will be my exit. But if it can go further down, I think it will probably try for 215s, flat 215s. So choppy day, slow day, unfortunately, and I did miss this. I was looking for this the entire time, but it didn't hold. So let's see if it'll actually give us a little bit more momentum here. So my entries are 0.78 and 0.6, so average 72. Gonna be very careful about this. 0.6, I will exit. Would Yep, exit with no prejudice on that one. Gonna wait and see if it'll go below. Now I will exit at 0.5. It's coming down to 0.3s, so and it's trying to hold 0.4, hold above VWAP. Okay, let's start. Nasdaq and futures just went down further, so if this doesn't break down below VWAP, it's probably gonna bounce. But I can see it coming down. Let's see. 0.5. I'm still doing a full exit. That'll be like a 20 cent short win. Yeah, 20 cents. Yep, there we go. Alright, bounce that. I'm de-risk. Let's see what it's trying to do. I'm gonna take some more off. So now average 0.665. Let's see, we'll go down further. I'll take some, and then if it goes down here, I'll take some more off. I don't really have a whole lot of time to stay and trade because I got meetings in a few minutes. But let's see how far I can go first. So I got into 45, 845, but I'm gonna try and cut out after this. All right, all right, done. All right, so that yeah, so I just came back to get my shorts fees total, and looks like I gained a little bit more than that today. Okay, so I made almost everything back. Okay, shorts 116.06. Okay, I'm up about this how much I'm up today. I only did Nvda. I didn't do anything else. So almost $200 up. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Maybe coming back later in the day. I don't know. The video is starting to get long, but this was a quick one to add in since I saw it coming down as I was um, logging back in to grab some data. Um, okay, coming down. Just reject that and everything just coming down now. Let's see. Let's see how far I can go down first. Just this, and then I just gotta close the platform after this. Shorts right now. I need to update that so I can get out later. Okay, it's trying to test VWAP, but I think it's gonna reject. 215. Okay, so my average was down here, unfortunately. Watching for weakness. Yep, coming down. Defending 215s. So 215 is being defended, but it looks like it's gonna get rejected. Okay, it just got defended on the upside. See, there's no momentum, so it's kind of hard to stay in the trade. Futures still trying to come down. Nasdaq bouncing off of 50 SMA again. Two 15s. 04, 9 rejected, and then just bounce from here. 0.9s. 06. Okay, so taking a lot of time. That's slow, but it's starting to come down. It's trying to hold this one right here. No, it's not. Maybe this one? 70s. Okay, yeah, it's trying to bounce the 70s. So if it doesn't hold 70s, it can go lower. But I don't know if I want to stay the whole time. Alright, Nasdaq futures is testing VWAP on the downside again. If it breaks below, it will go down further. And QQQs is testing a support level. It's actually an important support level from pre-market. So if it breaks this one, it can go down further. So we'll wait and see. But like I said, I do need to get going soon. Yep, see, coming down. Might test 214s, 214 psychological. If it doesn't hold up here, 0.5. Every 0.5 is a psychological level for Nvda. I'm gonna cover, or well, was gonna cover. Let's see. Might go further. I'm gonna cover 25. Seeing possible bounces. So I'm gonna de-risk. Get out that. And get some more out. Alright, I'm out. I'm done. Alright, just in case I take a trade. I did say done, but the weakness is just getting stronger and stronger on the Nasdaq and Qs. Like I said, I gotta watch all my time. I got meetings to go to. As if this comes down, it's gonna come down pretty significantly. Alright. Just 100. Alright, so 1445s. Trying to bounce this guy, but don't think that's gonna hold. Struggling, choppy. Waiting for confirmation. Yeah, and yes, it can potentially bounce, but okay, let's get out. Where's my mouse? Or hold on. I think 0.9 is gonna reject. Watching the 5 minutes on the side. There's choppy. Uh, let's see how they close. Depending on how they close, I will exit. They're trying to bounce, but I can't see it going up. Future just try to bounce above VWAP and then just came right back down. QQQ is testing the bottom of 50 SMA. Wait a little bit. gonna take this average. It's a risk, so let's see. Take another average up. So 0.5s. So right here, if it breaks, I'm good. I think 0.9, so I'll exit. Alright, futures and Nasdaq are starting to test the bottom, or not bottom, the support level for this right here. Okay, yep, it went down. Let's see, we'll break 214 now. Alright, let's get ready to get out, just in case. 0.4s, I'll exit. Yeah, so gain a little bit here and there, but I need to stop for the day. I do see weakness. Yep, there's the weakness. Alright, looking for an exit at 214s. Oh, looks like a pop. It's very weak though. Let's see. 0.5, I'm out. Okay, 29, 28. Showing some weakness, but I don't like how choppy. Uh, so zero point 0.5, I'm out. And well, I kind of got going around 45-ish. All right, futures testing support again. Q's doing the same. I think this is gonna come back down actually. All right, that was I don't like that pop. I do need all right confirmation before covering because I think it will come back down unless there's news to it. I do see strength coming in. Something's off though. I'm gonna add to here, average up. So zero point 0.9 I will exit and just take whatever that is and run. But I am detecting a lot of weakness. Just can't see it right now. Alright, Nasdaq futures. Just trying to hold on to that support level. If it can't break, it's gonna take Nvda down. Zero point 0.9, I gotta get out. Alright, hold on. Yeah, rejected 0.9. I might get squeezed. But that's a big reject, in my opinion. So something's going on, just can't see it right now. Reject, VWAP. Does look bullish on 5 minute, but there's something going on here. If it goes above VWAP, then yeah, I can potentially get squeezed. I need confirmation on this red first. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Fortunately, gave half back. But what is Nasdaq trying to do? I gotta get going. Yeah, so there was weakness, but I didn't take the weakness. I think I kept averaging down, so there's... Ooh, what's going on here? Okay, so 45.